Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this main boiler. It's part of the Baxi group. The boiler it's not for, it's nothing, it's completely dead. There's no lights, nothing on it. Nothing's happening. So anyway, we're gonna diagnose it and hopefully repair it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is get my multimeter out and check if there's any power coming in. If the power is coming in, then we're just gonna check the fuses out. If there's any power going past the fuse. And if there's no power going past the fuse, then we're gonna check the fuses out. So there's no power going past the fuse. Hopefully this is gonna be an easy fix. But we'll find out. Anyway guys, if you got a broken up boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Worcester, Bosch, Vaillant and many more. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. We also do Landlord Gas Safety Certificates, boiler servicing, and we repair Gladial water tanks too. So don't delay, call us today. Right, we're looking for a 2 amp fuse now. Hopefully I got one. Yep, whippy, I've got one. So we got a 2 amp fuse, we're going to try that out. The other one was blown and hopefully nothing else is faulty on this boiler. Right guys, we got power, so that was a good lucky repair, wasn't it? Anyway, so now that we got power, we're going to test out the heating and the hot water. That's all working fine. We're going to pack our bags and get out of there. Right guys, sorted this boiler out, it's all working fine now. There's no power going to it, so I diagnosed it and luckily I had the part to fit it and repair it too. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.
From Eastern
This is always horizontal. What is it?
What? This? It's a tomato paste dal.
This is some sort of dal, right? And it's really tasty. Come to Sultan's and Mosi village.
Redo.
Guys, I'm just at Sultan's and Mosi village. What are you doing, man?
Your camera's dirty. Okay. It's not. Why is it doing that? Okay, go on.
Right, guys, I've just had a busy day of work, and just in the evening, and linked to my daughter. She's with me as well today. So we come to Sultan's in Mosi village. As a complimentary, they've given us some dal. It's dal, bit of masala in it. It's really delicious. So we made an order. Hopefully, me and my daughter are gonna have a nice lunch, late lunch, and I'll give you feedback on this place and to let you know how it looks good. Does it taste good too?
Okay, can you redo that now?
Are you serious? That was really good.
It was on 0.6 in it, and your face looked very distorted.
No.
No, do it again.
Right, guys. After a long day of work, I've come to Sultan's in Mosi village. I linked to my daughter. She's with me as well, so we probably have a nice lunch together. Right. I've made my order. I'll share with you what my order is in a bit. But before that, they're just giving us this dal, complimentary. It's really nice. So it's dal with soup with a bit of a masala in it, and it's really delicious. Like on the main course in a bit. Come back to me. Stick with me. Well, we went over the top of here. We're gonna have to take this home, you know.
Thank you.
Mosi. Very nice.
Okay, go ahead.
Right, guys, after having a very heavy meal or lunch, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so 4 o'clock, so it's a late lunch here. After having a very heavy lunch, I'm gonna have some Rubicon, my favorite drink, but I'm just gonna wash it down. I'll tell you one thing, man, this is a Sultan place on Mosi village. The food was amazing, the lamb chops were delicious, probably some of the best lamb chops I've ever had. What do you think about what did you eat?
Oh, I loved it. I love the lamb chops. The lamb chops are really nice and tender. They're practically melted in your mouth. They're really nice and thick.
What about the
So
koftas?
the chicken kofta is really nice. And then we had shredded
Mixed
chicken.
shawarma.
Yeah, that was delicious.
I enjoyed that.
That was really nice, yeah. Because none of the meat, it was nicely grilled. You can taste the char, but it wasn't too much.
So I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
So will you come back here again?
Oh, definitely.
So would I. Guys, one place to recommend. After you had a long hard work day at work, come down and have some meal here. Till next time, Birmingham.
I cut out the Birmingham boiler fix part by accident.